participant A. I'm Yaya as participant C.
I'm Nurul as participant as participant. The Nature Society of the University is organizing a nature week, and as the members of the society, we should discuss and decide the best activity that could be done in the week. So, do you guys have any other ideas, like any ideas for the week?
I think I have one idea. I think we should organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. Okay. Why I think that is the best activity is because they can learn a lot of things about their life, about nature, while they attend this camp. Okay. Firstly, students can learn some basic survival to survive in forest or jungle if they're lost in jungle or what, right? Some example of basic survivors is like put up the tent, took down the tent, build up a campfire, build up shift cardboard to store food if they go to camp, right? Okay. Then I think they can do some fun activities like jungle trekking, flying fox, saw see flora and fauna, go hiking or fishing, and many more. Okay, so from this activity, they can learn to appreciate nature, and they can love nature and see nature in the forest, right? Okay. Okay. Then I think there's a lot of benefit if we go camping. Okay. Firstly, if we go camping, we will spend a lot of time near the trees, right? Near a tree, you take in more oxygen, so your body can function well with less strain when there's a plenty of oxygen. Okay, we also can improve our blood pressure and improve digestion if we breathe fresh air, okay, in the jungle. So in the jungle, a lot of oxygen will be there. Okay, okay. Then we also can camping. Camping can help us keep a healthy, happy relationship if we go camping with our loved ones, such as our friends, our family, or our partner. Okay, so we can spend a lot of time with them in the campsite. We can knowing each other well. We can share our problems with our loved ones. Okay, and we can spend a lot of time with them lah. Then, okay. Next, camping also improve our moods. This because when we spending some time outside in the sunlight, we can even out the levels of melatonin in our brain. Melatonin in our brain. Melatonin is that makes me feel tired and induce feelings of depression. So by camping, you can enjoy better overall moods during and after your camp. So you can forget all your problems at home. You can enjoy camping, and you can feel happy and calm. Okay. Lastly, when you go camping, don't forget to turn off your cell phone. Okay. Try to avoid the cell phone and enjoy the nature. Enjoy the surrounding without any distraction. And then you enjoy the experience and the nature. Forget about the cell phone, forget about the internet, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. Just enjoy the nature and enjoy the experience with your camping partner. Okay. As conclusion, I think this is the best activities we can done in the nature.
in my opinion, I think recycling day is the best way to be held in the nature week, because recycling has a really close relation with nature, and as the first activity that we should done that should be done in the week is by the school authorities should provide recycling bins throughout. The school authorities should provide recycling bins across the campus, and this could the students could the authorities could use clear graphics with facility specific images, and this is due to a study shown that when the authorities use images of waste that is generated on campus, it helps students to make the right choice to recycle when they are at the recycling bins. So meaning that when basically you put on like a clear image of things that you always buy in the campus, like for example burgers, right? So you put on the image of burger on the recycling bins so that they know like where is so that they know where to put on where to throw their rubbish nicely.
According to the
According to the I mean the plastics and everything.
like
You know?
mineral bottle,
Yeah,
we
mineral
throw out
bottle,
in the
yeah.
bottom bin.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
I'm glad you understand. Okay, and then with this uh, with this accurate, they could actually encourage the student to recycle more. And the second activity that should be done is, I think, by standardize the waste of by standardizing the usage of containers in the cafeteria. Like for example, when the students want to buy something from the cafeteria, like for the week only, the cafeteria should not provide any kind of containers to the students, meaning the students have to use their own containers. They have to bring their own containers, their own bottles, so that and throughout the week they need to only use the containers to when they want to buy things from the cafeteria. And with this, I think it could help students to actually practice this throughout their life. So that
I think these activities also can reduce the use of polythene, right?
Yeah.
That's very
for the ecosystem. And to ensure that this activity to ensure that this program works, the cafeteria owners must show their cooperation, and so they shouldn't provide any containers basically. So with that, the students with that we can ensure that every student participate in this program. Other than that, I think lastly, participation of students in nature or recycling themed game. I think, for instance, students could build few art statues by using recyclable items such as cans, bottles, and so on. So with this, it's actually a win-win situation for the university and also for the student, as the student could actually showcase their talent to the whole batch, and at the same time, they could help to beautify the campus surrounding with the help of the art statue. And I think in a nutshell, this might be the right activity that could be done in the nature.
Do you want to add something?
Opinion, I think we can organize a tea party activity with our week. This is because tea party they make a life lesson. According to studies, spending time among green spaces can reduce the part of stress among cheese instead of just lying in bed asleep like that. Other than that, tea making can improve the air quality by filtering harmful dust and pollutants such as ozone, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide that we breathe. So can have a life, so can live a healthy life and will not be affected with a disease, a respiratory disease like asthma, bronchitis, and so on. Other than that, I think Shibani is a good practice as we can create a nice view of this university compound. Flowering plant that are fruit can make us feel calm and just so I think as a conclusion, I think Tea is a good idea to be done during this week.
Among the three, I think participant C's idea is the best.
So, expedition, we choose
Institution, we can choose activity as
For our
activity during National Week as it provides many benefits throughout the students and
student can get a lot of moral values during this time.
Actually, it's one of a kind activity that could be done because others are like quite common.
Common.
Yeah.
and like a bit hard to be done.
Okay. So, we agree.
So I think we will end this discussion.